In this mini lecture, I'm just going to talk to you how I'm going to deliver this particular course and how the members of our team we are going to work together to see that you become proficient in C programming. So due to the COVID situation, till the actual physical classes are held, these classes will keep going in the method I'm going to talk about now. First thing you need to be clear and confident is you will not find any difference between the physical class and the classes we are taking because we will make every effort, all our team members will put in every effort to see that you understand and be a good programmer. Now, the plan is like this. So, just as you saw the welcome lecture, we are going to have a number of video lectures like this, which are going to be recorded both in English as well as in Hindi. All right. In order to ensure the learning is very effective, based on research, we are trying to restrict the average length of a mini lecture to about 7 to 8 minutes. Once in a while, some lecture may go to 10, 11 minutes, but that will be very rare. Mostly it will be an average length of 7 to 8 minutes or even lesser. Next part. The idea is like this. Once these videos are put up on your LMS or learning management system by your class teacher, you should watch the videos, attempt to understand as much as possible. Okay, through the video lectures, you will almost understand everything, but still, as in any learning, there are going to be certain gaps in the learning. The method we are using here is called as a blended learning method. In the blended learning method, the videos will give you maximum knowledge, and then whatever clarification, doubts, and extra concepts are required to understand something better, your class teacher shall explain them in the subsequent classes. So if you have any doubts, what you can do is your teacher is going to give you certain instructions and you can write to your respective class teacher about those doubts and say, suppose you attend my videos today and tomorrow. The first two, the plan as of now is are going to be my video lectures. After the watch the video lectures, you may encounter some difficulties in understanding certain parts. Then what you will do is you will make a note of them. You could email that to your teacher, or teacher will create a form for you where you can put in, and the common problems your teacher will help you understand and make it clear to you. All right. Now, the best way to watch these lectures is preferably on a computer or a laptop, because then you get a big screen size, you can see everything clearly, you can do your programs on that, and so on and so forth. But I cannot expect everybody to have a laptop or a computer. But I'm sure almost everyone does have a smartphone. So the way these lectures have been recorded and designed is you can easily watch and do the complete C programming of the first semester on your smartphone. We will show you how you can do that in a subsequent session. So if you're fine, if you do not have a computer laptop, nothing to worry, go ahead and watch it on a mobile phone. But just a word of advice for you. If you're watching it on a mobile phone, do not hold your mobile phone like this and watch it. Because the problem with watching it like this is some of the characters and things are not clear. Turn around and watch the videos holding your mobile phone like this in the landscape mode only. So if you want complete clarity and to see the videos as good as in the laptop or computer, please use your mobile devices in the landscape or horizontal mode. All right. Now, do not try to skip some videos. It's good that you watch the complete videos provided on the learning management system and any videos provided by your class teacher. All right. Now, the learning is never going to be complete just by watching videos. So what will happen is, along with the discussion of concepts by your class teacher, the class teacher is also going to have a number of fill in the blanks, match the following, quizzes, find out the error in the code, and numerous ways of trying to help you learn this particular course in a very thorough manner. Now, the advantage of video lectures is you can pause, you can stop it, you can rewind it, you can make notes about unclear points and watch it as many times as you want. The reason we are developing these video lectures both in English and Hindi is these are going to be going into our learning management system or our digital library. So students for any reason are not able to attend a class or are not able to understand something, they can always go back to these lectures and make an effort to understand. Now, in order to make the videos easily understandable to everybody, all the videos in English will have the subtitles or closed captioning. Please make use of them. So in the YouTube below, you will see the CC button. So you activate that. So for all videos which are in English, you will see the corresponding English translation of what I am speaking now. The advantage of this is, since a lot of my children or a lot of our students do not come from English medium or are not very fluent with English, we have to take care of their requirements too. So that's why we have made an effort to have all the English videos with captions or subtitles. Now, it is very good if you can watch the videos in English, okay? But due to whatever reasons, you prefer watching in Hindi. Now, one thing I would like to tell you, preferably first watch these videos in English. Watch it once, twice, and then go and watch it in Hindi if you want. The reason being, you need to develop your English skills, because when companies come to the campus, they expect you to be able to speak a certain level of English. Okay, so please make an effort. It will take a little time. Do not feel disheartened. Put in a little effort and you'll be very comfortable in English. Now, in YouTube, if you see, for every video, there is a video description section. So in the video description section of the video on the YouTube, when you click the description section, you will find the lecture notes of the video being discussed. So that particular lecture, this particular slides will be available as lecture notes. So you can download them as PDF and feel free to use them. Now, as we are recording live, there is always a possibility that there could be certain corrections in the videos, or I could make certain things while speaking accidentally. I may speak something wrong, or I may forget to explain something correctly. In that case, what I will do is, again in the description section of the video, the corrections that are done to the video will be mentioned along with the time where that error has occurred and a message about what that error was and what is the correct answer. Now, a lot of you must really be worried. All right, fine, yeah, all these theories going on, but how will I do my lab? There's a good news for you. If you have a smartphone, you can do every exercise you can do on the lab, you can do it on your smartphone. This entire thing, this entire course, other than a smartphone, we are not expecting you to have any device, no laptop, no computer, anything like that. If you have it, fantastic. But if you don't have it, nothing to worry at all, because you will be able to do the entire lab exercises on smartphone. We will give you instructions how to run programs on a smartphone. There is something called as an online GDB compiler. Using the online GDB compiler, whatever you can do on your PC or laptop, you can execute your program, okay, on online and then look at the results. Now, in the end of this video, the syllabus for this entire C programming course can be found in the description section. So below, when you watch the description of this particular video, you're going to be able to see the syllabus of this entire C programming course, which is relevant for the first semester of Graphic Era group of universities. Thank you once again. I hope you're getting what we are trying to do here, and just be assured you will find no difference of learning whether you're in a classroom or whether you're sitting at a home. With this, I would say thank you to all of you.